back on a rainy day. What better day than today to finish up my ambient lighting? So today we're going to be finishing up the doors, and they'll pretty much sum up the entire interior ambient lighting kit. To get started, I'm going to take off this light, and then there are 5 screws on the door panel. Just as a quick note on the RCs, the white and black is ground, and then the gray is power. This is what your final setup should be like if you don't want to splice or tap, and then this would just go into the connecting box.